This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are celebrating November's brand new launch with a swatch party, y'all. This is where the air cannons go off. So this House of Giving collection is absolutely stunning. This is serving up all of the fall colors, the sweet, sweet autumn goodness. This delicious collection was made with Thanksgiving in mind. Now, in America, November is their Thanksgiving, but in Canada, we actually had our Thanksgiving in October, and it was so amazing, filled with the best humans in the world and the best pumpkin pie. So today, this collection just launched, brand new, November 1st. Get yourself some. But I'm so excited because Madam Glam reached out and I was able to select 5 gorgeous colors. So we are going to get right into those beautiful, vegan, delicious goodies. Without further ado, if you are a fall baby such as myself, or you enjoy the warm shades of autumn, you are absolutely going to adore this collection. Now, the reason why I say warm is because some of these colors will warm you up on a cold, cold day. This is our version of a hot cup of cocoa because, y'all, it is getting freezing out there. The leaves are falling, they're changing, absolutely beautiful. And with that change comes this new collection. I am screaming. Oh, that color, Astro Pie, it just looks like pumpkin spice to me, y'all. And there's some gorgeous nudes and sexy blues. I can't wait to get into all of the magic. So quickly, I showed you a cheeky sneak peek of all of the colors swatched, and we're going to go right into the magic. So starting off, we have Astro Pie, which I said that kind of funny because I'm used to saying pumpkin pie. This year was the first year that my partner actually made a homemade pumpkin pie for us, and I lost it because I have never tried homemade pumpkin pie, and this color is screaming all of the pumpkin spice. That pie was literally the greatest thing I've ever tasted. I have been harassing my partner to make more and more, even though the holiday season is ending. I'm like, can I have another? And now this is a great excuse I can say. There's Thanksgiving in America, so please bake another pumpkin pie. Now, these are their cream formula, which is a 5 on the opacity scale. This is a full pigmented baby. Now, for ultimate coverage, I do go in with 2 thin coats, but the coverage of this is absolutely delicious. Now, next up is Autumn Aura, which is a stunning nude. This also reminds me of all of the latte magic. This is just so beautiful with peach notes. It is just absolutely everything. And that next to the Astro Pie, lordy lordy, is just a match made in heaven. Now that we're really cooking with gas and getting this swatch party on, I wanted to read you a little bit about this collection straight from Madam Glam. So, House of Giving. With each passing year, our thankfulness grows. For Thanksgiving tradition, our hearts warmly know. 8 soak-off gels, astral projection, Scorpio season, purple era, pure nature, Milky Way, divine glam, autumn aura, and astro pie. In the mystical embrace of Thanksgiving season, we find ourselves drawn to the enchantment of gratitude and reflection. This November, ground yourself in color with House of Giving collection, a down-to-earth palette inspired by healing colors of nature, Thanksgiving, and the power of gratitude. Let your nails tell a story of beauty and kindness, one brushstroke at a time. With vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, and palm oil free formula, the 8 new creams, arrivals will evoke a sense of warmth, elegance, and gratitude, offering a glamorous palette of rich burgundies, deep earthly tones, and the coziness of Thanksgiving season. These high quality, ethically crafted polishes will not only adorn your nails with stunning color, but will also allow you to celebrate with clear conscience. So pamper yourself while being kind to the planet and let your nails shine as brightly as your heart's gratitude during this special time. This is such a beautiful write up, and I couldn't have said it better myself. They also said a pro tip: Madam Glam's cream colors are known for their versatility, making them perfect for creating stunning nail art designs. So embrace the giving season with your favorite trends: velvet nails, graphic lines, gradient nails, mix and match styles, and paint your feelings with the new arrivals. Oh my gosh, how stinking precious was that? And I just can't get over the 3 we just swatched. That alone is like a gradient of the heavens with Milky Way, Autumn Aura, and Astro Pie. But we are going straight into this stunning blue, and I am living for it. This is so beautiful. So, Madam Glam's done it again. I have astral projected out of my body to see myself swatching this, and I'm screaming at myself like, girl, put this on your nails. Put this on your phalanges. Both this astral projection and Scorpio season, they are paired so perfectly together. They're a beautiful gradient, one being darker than the other. But as a blue baby, a blue charm sister, these are so gorgeous. They make my gothic heart sing. Now, don't get me wrong, you know I'm a pastel princess, but I love a dark moment. And oh my goodness, if I can't have my black mani, this is the next best thing. This Scorpio season is so delectable. It's like a dark navy blue. Yes, I am living for it. And as the collection is named, this is Giving Mama. Ooh, this house of giving pulls no stops. Oh my goodness, you are just going to be left with the most beautiful nails. I am thinking about sweater nails and all of the fall magic, all of the maple leaves, the changing of the colors. Like, I am so madly in love with this collection. Now, again, this came out today, November 1st. So if you love these colors, I urge you, run on over to madamglam.com and grab these before they sell out. There is something about these sexy fall colors that sell out so quickly. Now look at that. I am squealing. Is that not one of the most beautiful blues you've ever seen? Madam Glam, I cannot thank you enough for sending these 5 beautiful polishes. I can truly see the color story. Now there's technically 3 that are missing out of the collection, but these 5 give such, ooh, they're given everything. It gives you like a wider understanding of their color story and what they were going for, and you can definitely see, you know, those warm elements and also cool, because we do have like the changing of the seasons. Oh my goodness, I can't thank you enough for coming to this swatch party. I am dying to know, what is your favorite color that you saw swatch today? And normally in these unbox and swatch, I do demos, but I wanted to go right in to a full set. So tomorrow, make sure to keep your notification bells on, because there is going to be a full set with these gorgeous colors. I cannot wait to see you there. Thank you for adding sunshine to my day, because y'all, it's cold, so we need sun. I am sending so much love and light, and with this Thanksgiving season, truly, I hope you know how grateful I am for you. Oh, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.